Hey, good morning. Welcome back. We've got another pool pump problem here. The problem that's happening is when the booster pump kicks on, it kind of has a low hum to it, and then it shuts off. Let me show you what it's doing. That's the main pump, and then when the cleaner pump turns on, kind of hear that. It's running. And sometimes when you hear that hum, it's not running at all, but this one, you can see the impeller is spinning. It's just not spinning at full speed, spinning at half speed. So that tells us the motor's bad. We're gonna have to replace that. So check it out. There you heard it click off. So we know we've got a bad motor. We're gonna go ahead and change this one out. First thing, as always, we kill the power. Then we're gonna disassemble that. Fortunately, on this one, we installed the quick disconnects, which are amazing. We're gonna take those loose, take the wires out, pop the new one in, and hopefully we'll be out of here soon. Power's off. That motor is hot. That thing is hot. Yeah, you can see the brown on the side here. That motor is hot as a pistol. Okay, got it over here where you can see a little better. Get the wires loose. I know that's really all anybody wants to see is how this thing's wired up. So, this is a 1/4-inch nut driver to take the dust cap off. Easy. And then if you look up in here, we've got terminal 1, terminal 2, and a ground. Now, just to make sure we're dead, I'm gonna touch the lug and then touch the side of the motor. If it was active, it would short out. But I already knew the power was off, but I like to double check before I stick my fingers in there. Okay, and that's that one. Now, these old pumps are Phillips, and the new ones, they changed them. I think they're a 7mm. Why in the world we did that, I don't know. Not a fan, but they didn't ask me, so I guess I shouldn't be surprised. But they did change them on the newer Pentair LA01N booster pumps. Are now, instead of having these Phillips head screws, they have I believe it's 7mm. You can just smell this thing also. It smells like burning electrical components, so that's another indicator that it's time to replace it. Now, you could replace the motor and save a little bit of money, but it is a lot more work, so just kind of keep that in mind. And one common thing on this pump is these 4 bolts here I feel like they're set in there with Loctite or something. They are just a absolute chore to get loose. So rather than fight with them and break the bolts, which we've done, you just heard that click. That was the overheat resetting itself on this motor. So we're going to set that one aside, get the new one out. Let's go. Here's our new pump. We'll go and do the wiring first and then set it down in the hole. Just gonna repeat what we did on the other one. Take off that dust cap. You'll notice the dust cap is different on the new ones. Okay, we have ground here. We have 2 lugs, and I was wrong on that size. It is actually a 9mm nut driver. And I had a little difficulty finding these. Had to go on Amazon and order them. Couldn't find them in any of the local auto parts stores. So just something to think about as you're looking for these. Okay, then we're gonna bring that wire in here. Oh, crud, I forgot the cap. Start over. And we're going to put this one on that lug. Okay, we're going to put our wires back. This one goes here, and the white one goes there. Okay, now we'll do this one down here at the bottom a little bit easier, except for we put it right in line with that. So let's go ahead and cut that and trim it. And bring it around. We'll run it under that wire and bring it up right there. Should work perfect. Most of these pumps are 220 volt, so it doesn't matter if the red goes here or there. You're going to have 120 on each one, so you can interchange those. Important one is the ground. Make sure you get the right one there. Let's put the dust cover back on it. Okay, that's that. We're connected. Turn the power back on. There's our main pump. Let that run for a second. And we're gonna turn on the cleaner. Beautiful. I even see the hose jumped over there. And we're rolling. All right, guys, there you go. Successful replacement and repair. Thanks for watching. If I am lucky, we'll see you in the next one.